Today, the angels bring a deep revelation, something that will stir your feelings and may transform the way you see the person you hold in your heart. They have been observing every step, every gesture, and especially what you have been feeling for that person. What you are about to discover may shake you, but it will also bring the clarity you have been seeking. Within this person, there is an intense internal battle, something that may seem hidden to you, but that the angels now reveal with clarity. Behind the silence, the unspoken words, and the distant gazes, there is a whirlwind of repressed emotions that this person carries within. They have been fighting against their own fears and insecurities, hesitating to show what they truly feel for you. And yet, love is there, alive, even if hidden in the depths of their heart. The angels want you to understand that this person is not ignoring you or pushing you away out of lack of love. On the contrary, they are trying to protect something they consider too fragile to expose. The fear of the unknown, the consequences of such strong love, makes them withdraw and build barriers around their feelings. But these barriers are about to crumble. You may have felt in your heart that something is shifting between you two. Perhaps you have noticed small signs, subtle gestures, or even a more reserved behavior. These changes are reflections of the battle that this person is facing internally. The angels reveal that they are in a moment of great vulnerability, torn between fully surrendering to this feeling or continuing to hide what they truly feel. But the angels are here to guide you. They ask you to have patience, not to give up on the one you love, as great transformations are coming. The moment you have been waiting for is approaching, and this person will soon have no way to hide what they feel anymore. They will start to act in a way that will surprise even themselves, revealing what they have tried so hard to repress until now. It is important for you to stay firm and receptive to this change. The angels remind you that true love, the kind that transforms and heals, is never easy. It requires time, understanding, and above all, faith. The journey up to this point may have been challenging, but know that everything is heading towards a surprising outcome. What the angels reveal is that this person is about to make a decision that will change everything between you. They are preparing to open their heart in a way they have never done before, and when that happens, it will be as if all doubts and fears finally disappear. This will be the moment when the truth will be revealed, and you will see how real and deep this love is. Hold on tight, dear one. The angels are by your side, guiding each of your steps and this person's. Trust in the divine process and be ready to receive this truth with an open heart. The revelation that is coming will be the beginning of a new chapter, where love can finally bloom without barriers. The angels continue to reveal the secrets of this person's heart. Deep down, they have always known that what they feel for you is something different, something that goes beyond the superficial connections they have experienced in the past. But the fear of the unknown and the insecurity of facing such intense feelings have caused them to pull away at crucial moments. However, what the angels are showing now is that this distancing is coming to an end. This person is about to confront everything they have been avoiding for so long. They can no longer hide what they feel because the feelings you have awakened in them are like a flame that cannot be extinguished. Every gesture of yours, every word you have shared, touched their heart in a way that made them realize that this love is unlike any other. And now, they are getting ready to act according to this truth. The angels want you to know that behind this person's actions, there is a deep internal conflict. They know that in order to move forward, they will need to shed the masks they have been using to protect themselves. This emotional battle they are facing is not just about loving you, but also about overcoming their own fears and opening up their heart in a way they have never done before. This scares them, and that is why, at times, they may seem hesitant or distant. However, the angels assure that the moment of revelation is very close. Everything you have been feeling towards this person, all the doubts, hopes, and fears, will soon find an answer. They will start to express their feelings in a clearer way, and what seemed impossible before will now become a reality. It is important that, at this moment, you be prepared to welcome this revelation with understanding and empathy. The angels ask you to set aside any judgment or resentment that you may have accumulated throughout this journey. The love you feel for this person is mutual, and the only thing that has prevented them from showing it was the fear of getting hurt or losing control over their own emotions. When that moment comes, it will be as if a veil has been lifted, and you will see how much this person has been struggling internally to admit what they truly feel. It won't be easy for them, but the angels are by both of your sides, guiding each step of this journey towards the truth. This person is about to open up in a way they never have before, and what comes next will even surprise you. Now, what the angels ask of you is to trust the process. There is a greater force at play here, something beyond human control. This connection between the two of you has been carefully orchestrated by the universe, And each challenge, each obstacle, has had its purpose in strengthening this bond. You haven't come this far by chance. This person, who is about to open their heart, is also beginning to understand that what you both have is rare, something not found just anywhere. As much as they have resisted up to now, the angels show that they won't be able to avoid this love that has flourished so intensely and genuinely. Get ready, because your journey is about to enter a new phase. As the angels continue to guide this journey, they reveal that the path for this person to fully open up will not be free of challenges. They are in a deep process of transformation, where their fears and doubts are being confronted head-on. For a long time, they have carried a series of emotional blocks that prevent them from fully surrendering to what they feel. These blocks stem from old wounds, fears of rejection, and not being enough. But the angels are working intensively to help them overcome these obstacles. At this moment, it's as if a battle is taking place within her. On one side, there's the fear of opening up, of being vulnerable, of getting hurt again. On the other, there's the deep and true love she feels for you, which grows each day. The angels want you to understand that this person isn't fighting against you, but against her own inner demons. The love she feels is real, but acknowledging it means facing pains and insecurities she has carried for a long time. The angels also show that, during this period of introspection, this person has been thinking a lot about you. She reflects on the moments you spent together, the conversations, the exchanged glances, and even the silences you shared. And more, she realizes that you brought something new into her life, something she never found in anyone else. This awakening is happening slowly but steadily. She's starting to understand that what she feels for you is not fleeting or superficial, but something that has the potential to transform her life. Each passing day, she gets closer to the decision of revealing her feelings, of showing you how much you mean to her. The angels ask you to be patient because this process requires time and courage. But they assure you that this person is on the right path, and the truth is about to be revealed. When that moment arrives, it will be as if the clouds finally dissipate, and you can clearly see everything that was hidden. This love, which has been veiled until now, will emerge with a force that will surprise both of you. What seemed uncertain will turn into certainty, and the repressed feelings will finally be released. The angels remind us that true love is not something that can be forced or rushed. It needs time to mature, to deeply root in the heart. And that's exactly what has been happening with this person. They are going through a process of healing, of breaking free from the chains of the past, so that they can finally live this love with all the intensity it deserves. You, who have always been by their side, will be rewarded for your patience and dedication. The angels see how much you have already given to this relationship, how genuinely you have been giving of yourself, even without knowing what the future holds. And now, they tell you that your wait has not been in vain. The revelation that is about to come will be the proof that the love you desired so much is closer than ever. This is the moment to keep the faith. The journey you and this person are walking together is part of a greater plan, a plan that the angels are guiding with care and protection. They ask you to continue trusting, to keep your heart open and receptive, because what is coming will be the realization of everything you have dreamed of. Now, as the angels lead you to the final part of this journey, they reveal that the decisive moment is about to happen. What you have longed for so much, the confirmation of this person's feelings, is closer than you imagine. The angels show that all the barriers that once seemed insurmountable are beginning to fall. The love this person feels for you is so strong, so deep, that it can no longer be contained. What was hidden will be revealed, and when that happens, it will be as if a new light illuminates both of your paths. The angels want you to understand that this revelation will not just be a moment of words spoken, but a true transformation in your lives. This person, who has hesitated until now, will finally have the clarity and courage to open up completely. The fears that held them back are being dissipated by the strength of the love you share. This love, divinely guided, is about to bloom in a way that neither of you ever imagined. Those moments of silence, uncertainties, and separations that have marked your journey until now are coming to an end. Now, a new phase begins, where love will be the center of everything. The angels ask you to be prepared for this change, as it will come quickly and unexpectedly. This person, who has kept their distance for so long, will soon be unable to hide what they feel anymore. The words they will say and the actions they will take will be proof that love has always been present, even in the most challenging times. The angels also ask you to be compassionate and understanding at this time. Although the revelation brings great joy, it will also require patience and maturity. This person is freeing themselves from their own emotional limitations, and the process of healing and transformation does not happen overnight. Be by their side, offer support, and be a constant light in their life, just as you have been until now. When love is finally declared, you will feel that everything was worth it. The waiting, the doubts, the challenges, all of that will have served to strengthen the bond between you. What the angels want you to know is that this relationship is not like any other. It has been carefully planned by the universe, destined to bring growth, healing, and a connection that transcends time and space. You are not together by chance. Every moment lived, every emotion felt, is part of a divine purpose. Now more than ever, it's time to trust. The love you share is a gift from heaven, and the angels are guiding every step of yours and this person so that everything unfolds in the most harmonious and beautiful way possible. Do not be afraid of the changes that are coming, as they will bring with them a new phase of happiness, understanding, and unity. Finally, the angels ask you to allow your spirit to absorb these words and feel them deeply resonate within you. The universe wishes the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, no matter what your choice may be. I absorb, receive, and accept my destiny and all that the universe has to offer me. Leave a positive comment for others who may need a boost of positivity in their day. The universe sees this as an act of kindness. Let's uplift each other and create waves of good energy together. If you are not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe now and stay tuned for the important message awaiting you in the next video. May God and the universe illuminate your steps with peace, love, and faith. Amen.